Hey y'all, it's Ryan Converse. I'm a mortgage broker with Texas Homes and Loans. And on top of being a first-time homeowner last year, I've helped many first-time homeowners navigate the process of buying a home. Through my tenure, I've seen what works, I've seen what doesn't, and where people tend to make mistakes, especially when they don't have the right guidance. So today I want to give you my top 20 tips in making the home buying process easier, smoother, and stress-free. First tip is get a loan estimate up front. Most lenders won't send you that loan estimate after getting pre-approved, but you need one. It breaks down your total monthly payment, estimated closing costs, and itemized fees. You want to see this before going under contract so that you're not surprised later. Second one is always get multiple quotes. Don't just go with the first lender that says you're approved. That way you compare fees, rates, and terms. And don't worry, as long as you're shopping within a 45-day window, it only counts as one credit pull. Number 3 is start thinking about home ownership early. Even if you're 18, it's never too early to start planning. If you're renting, ask yourself, when could I be ready to buy? The earlier you start thinking about it, the earlier you'll own. And that means more equity and more long-term options. Fourth is you can buy right out of college. General knowledge is 2 years of employment history. But if you've just graduated college, you don't need that full 2 years. Lenders can use your education as part of your employment history. So as long as you have a full-time job after graduation, you may already qualify. This fifth one is for the money-savvy borrowers. Consider multifamily properties. Your first home doesn't have to mean single family. You can buy 2, 3, 4 unit properties. You live in one unit and rent the other ones out. The rental income can help cover your mortgage. You've essentially bought a house for free. Number 6 is look into down payment assistance programs if you need assistance. Every state has programs for first-time homebuyers. Some are grants, some are forgivable loans, and many don't require monthly payments. This could be the key to owning your first home. Number 7 is crucial. Get pre-approved early, even if you're not ready. A pre-approval gives you a clear game plan. Even if you're not ready to buy today, going through the process will help you understand where you need to be, whether it's income, credit, or savings. When you speak with me on these things, we put a plan in place and make sure we get you where you want. The 8th is always get a home inspection, especially if you're doing a new build. It's a small cost up front that can save you a lot of cost in the long run. Number 9 is read those HOA rules if the house you're purchasing is in an HOA community. Ask for a copy of the rules and covenants. Don't get blindsided by restrictions after you've already moved in. Think about the resale value. Property is an investment. Even if it's your first home, you still think long term. Choose a property that you think will be easy to resell. Good layout, good location, minimal flags. 11 is ask your realtor about their experience. Not every realtor is experienced with first-time buyers, down payment assistance, VA loans, what have you. Ask that realtor if they've ever worked with buyers like yourself. 12 is to have those financial documents ready. When I advise the people I work with, the magic number is 2. 2 years of W-2s or tax returns, your most recent 2 pay stubs, and your most recent 2 bank statements with the cash that you're going to use to buy the home. The more organized you are, the smoother it's going to go. Number 13 is focusing on the neighborhood you can afford. Make sure to buy in the best area possible for your budget. Good schools, low crime. These tend to mean better value and better appreciation. Number 14 is make sure you pay attention to the age of the major systems in the house. Ask when the roof, HVAC, water heater, or other major appliances were replaced. Older systems mean more repair costs when you move in, and your inspector can help you evaluate this. 15 is ask the seller to help with closing costs. Whether for interest rate buy downs or helping pay that cash up front, ask the seller or builder what they can do for you. That is something I emphasize with every person I work with. 16 is look into 100% financing options. There are legit no down payment loan options. USDA if you want to move into a rural area, or VA if you're a veteran. That can save you thousands. 17 is understanding the contingencies in your contract. Ask your agent about those contingencies. Due diligence lets you back out after inspection. Financing contingencies in case your loan falls through. And appraisal contingencies in case the home doesn't appraise. These are safeguards, use them. 18 is don't sign anything you don't understand. If you're confused about something, ask. You're signing legally binding documents for the biggest purchase of your life. While it's exciting, it's okay to slow down and get some clarity. 19 is know all the upfront costs. Besides your down payment, you need to budget for inspections, appraisal, earnest money, closing costs, and so forth. If you're working with a good lender, they'll be able to walk you through these items. And last one, number 20, is watch out for scams after you close. I warn every person I work with about this. Scammers will send you fake letters in the mail. Always verify with the lender or title company before paying anything. And just a little bonus tip, be ready for escrow changes. Homeowners insurance and property taxes generally go up year after year, especially with the rise in value of property. So just plan and budget. If you have any questions, drop something in the comments or reach out. I'm here to make you feel confident and prepared when you're buying that home.